What is up, guys? It's been Jamming Outdoors, and today I have another episode of Redneck Rig It. Today I'm going to show you how to turn an XLT into better than a King Ranch. Y'all come along with me. Step 1. Remove crappy cloth seats. Step 2, get a nice leather chair and put it inside. Step 3, hop in your new Better Than a King Ranch F250. Start her up and drive her. And you might have to move the foot pegs a little forward. Oh, we're good. Oh yeah. I feel like I'm rich now. Now you can just kick back and lean back and drive with your foot. This is the life. I'm so relaxed. Why pay $80,000 for a King Ranch when you can pay a lot less for an XLT and upgrade it this way? Oh yeah. This is the #1 way to convert your XLT into a King Ranch. King Ranch. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Y'all stay tuned for more.